In this question, we are given that 5% of men and 0.25% of women have gray hair, and a gray haired person is selected at random. Then what is the probability that this person is male? And we have to assume that there are equal number of males and females in our sample space. This is a Bayes theorem question, and to understand it better, I will draw a Venn diagram. We don't need to draw this to solve the question, but for understanding it is helpful. So our sample space is divided into two equal halves because there are equal number of males and females. Let's assume that the first part corresponds to males and the second part corresponds to females, and because there are equal number of males and females, probability of getting a male is equals to probability of getting a female is equals to half. Now 5% of the men and 0.25% of women have gray hair. So if the G is event that a person has gray hair, then this part will correspond to probability that the person has gray hair and the person is male, and this part will correspond to the probability that the person has gray hair and the person is female. Now we are given the probabilities. P G given M equals to 5 divided by 100, and P G given female is equals to 0.25 divided by 100. Now in this question we want to find what is the probability that a gray haired person that is selected is a male, that is probability of the person being male given that the person is gray haired. This is what we want to find, and this I can write using Bayes theorem as probability of gray haired given the person is male into probability that the person is male divided by probability that the person is gray haired. Now here the probability that the person is gray haired can be obtained using total probability theorem. So probability that the person is gray haired can be written as probability G given M into PM plus probability G given female into probability the person is female, and this will be 5 divided by 100 into 1 by 2 plus 0.25 divided by 100 into 1 by 2, and that is equals to 5.25 divided by 200. So now probability of the person being male given the person is gray haired will be equals to Pg given M, that is 5 divided by 100 into Pm, that is half, divided by Pg, that is equals to 5.25 divided by 200. So now here I can cancel this 102 with this 200, so I am left with equals to 5 divided by 5.25. This I can simplify, I can remove this decimal and put 2 zeros here. This I can cancel with 25, 25 2s are 50 and 0. This I can cancel, 25 2s are 50, then left with 25, 25 1s are 25, so that is equals to 20 by 21. So the probability that the person is male given the person is gray haired is equals to 20 by 21.